Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the types of loans offered by BluPeak. BluPeak, a credit union, offers a variety of loan products to meet different needs. Their loan options include auto loans for buying a new or used vehicle, and personal loans, which can be used for a wide range of purposes like debt consolidation, home improvements, or unexpected expenses. They also provide home equity loans and home equity lines of credit, often referred to as a HELOC, which allow homeowners to borrow against the equity they've built up in their property. Additionally, BluPeak offers computer loans for students and others who need to purchase technology. For those pursuing higher education, student loans are also available. In summary, BluPeak's loan offerings are designed to cover a variety of needs, from financing a car or a home project to covering personal expenses or educational costs. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.